Here's how to send money between Payoneer accounts. Now, for us to get started, I'm gonna choose my USD balance here because I still have some amount left in here. Now, once you are here, you should be able to see details about it, and what you're gonna do is just tap the pay button right here, and we're gonna go ahead and choose to a recipient's Payoneer account. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that, and then from here I'm gonna click send my first payment. Now I'm going to go ahead and enter the name or email. Say for example, I'm gonna go ahead and type here. All right, say for example that, and then I'm gonna tap the next button down below. And yeah, from this point forward, you're going to go ahead and enter here the amount. Take note though that the minimum here is actually $50. So yeah, I want you to type here your amount. Yeah, in my case, I only have 28 as of the moment. What is gonna happen is that you can go ahead and click this one. All right, and then you can go ahead and choose how they are going to receive it. Now, since we are sending USD balance, I'm gonna choose USD balance also. But basically from that point forward, you can tap on the next button right here, and it's gonna ask you to confirm like details regarding the transaction. But basically that is how you are going to get this done. From this point forward, you should be able to send money between Payoneer accounts.